You know, it's been a long time since, no excuses, but we're here. Unfortunately, this is not a catch-up video. I will make one of those to tell you guys, like, what's up, what's the situation behind under this hat, what's going on. But for right now, okay, maybe it's cricket. This is a tutorial video. Yes. Before I even get on that, I want to say thank you so much for watching my last one that I did about more than 3-4 years ago. So much love, so much support. I appreciate it. I misspelled a word. I apologize. By the time I realized it, I was like, crap, it already has so many views. Let me not take it down because I don't know how to put it back up. But yes, I do know how to spell that word. Thank y'all for not roasting me, going in on me, because my friends definitely did. So anyway, this video is about individual crochet locks. I do a very, very, very natural, realistic looking crochet lock. It lasts very long. You can keep it up to, if you want, you can keep it up to like 2, maybe 3 months. What I do is I put it in, and then maybe like in the month I redo my edges and keep it going. But anyway, this video will show you that. It'll show you 3 different colors for it. I do a ombre with blonde on myself. I do a ombre with red, a burgundy-ish, and then I do like a black, long, beautiful lock. You can make these goddess by adding some curly hair in there, but I don't add any of that because I'm trying to go for a very natural, realistic look here. Okay, people, okay, women. But I will show you them, not all on me, but like I said, there's 3 different women. I'm not a hairstylist, but I occasionally do hair for people. And I did hair back in college to pay my bills. I went to PB, like small. With the PB. Anyway, let's get into the video. Subscribe, keep watching. And as I said in my video a long time ago, I hope it changes your life forever. Let's go. You'll need open bobby pins or a latch hook, depending on which method you do. I'm going to do open bobby pin. And for your hair, you can choose model or free trace bow lock. I prefer model. Lastly, you'll need boiling water and a mug to dip your hair in. So you're going to start on already plaited hair. You're going to take that bobby pin and put it through the root of that plait. And then you're going to take your faux lock and you're going to do the very tip of it and you're going to push that through that open end. Once you do that, you pull the bobby pin through the root and you'll have the dread on the other side, and there's always that loop there. You're going to open up that loop and take that plait through the loop. Just like so, right there. You see it. Oh yeah. Pull it through. And then you're going to just pull both sides to tighten up that where it starts. So then you just do like the typical faux lock method where you just wrap it around and open up, you wrap it, you open up the lock a little bit, and then you wrap it around your own hair. You're going to do this all the way down the dread. So a few things to look out for when you're doing this is making sure that you get extension hair, the actual dread hair. It needs to be longer than your hair. There's a lot of situations where that was not the case, and I tried to tell them like, hey, your hair might be too long for this, but end up doing it, and you end up either having to cut your hair or just having your hair stick out at the end. Another thing is to make sure that your roots aren't too tight. You do not want to break your hair while pulling that bobby pin through or while you pull that latch hook through. Just make sure you look out for those 2 things. So you're basically just going to keep twisting all the way to the end, and your hair should just eventually just be wrapped around. There's nothing special to the end. We all know how to do this. This is everywhere on YouTube. Continuously going. So the next thing I like to do is once I finish 3, I'd like to plait them together for the dipping process. So when you're plaiting them, you got to make sure you twist them in the direction that you wrap them in. So for these, I believe I'm doing it clockwise. So I'm making sure I'm twisting it a little before I, continue the plait. You're going to do that until I guess you run out of, you're going to do that until you run to the point in the lock where your hair is no longer there. Because the only reason why you're doing that is to make sure your hair doesn't come out. So After you complete plaiting your whole head, you're going to dip each one, hold it in there for like 7 seconds, take it out, dry it, and you could immediately take it down right after that. Drum roll, please. The results are in. You look gorgeous. Oh my gosh, how long you been growing your dreads? Girl, 5 hours. Huh? Where? Anyway, this is what it looks like. Black and natural looking. Next clip is for color. You get the blonde, the next one's for red, and then I have another clip in there to see what it looks like straight if you don't want to crinkle your dreads. Thank y'all, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!